blooper clip with an awkward pause. Energetic introduction to my video with a flashy thumbnail and slightly clickbaity title. Explanation about today's topic, jump cut. I'm keeping it lighthearted and fun. Jump cut. The camera zooms in on my face while I contemplate my awkward mistake. I slightly fumble on my words, but I recover quickly by repeating the line and smiling like nothing happened. I continue with the content that the thumbnail promised, but before we do that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Cue interesting title card. Now, what I say in this section might be something you've already heard, but the way I'm saying it is incredibly dramatic. You're welcome. You're gonna wanna stick around because my next point is gonna be incredibly unique. Cue the next title card. A change in music adds a cinematic effect to an otherwise simple video of me sitting in the same spot. I prove my point with B-roll. B-roll. B-roll, but this time scary. B-roll, but this time it's happy. I reference other media genres where this is used and has a huge effect, like horror. Cue found footage. You might be getting bored at this point, so I crack another joke. Maybe it's a pun about horror. This is where that blooper clip came from at the beginning of the video. I'm about to move on, but wait, I want to make sure that you stay to the end of the video. But don't skip all the way to the end of the video because you're gonna miss something incredibly relevant, I promise. I keep feeding you little breadcrumbs of information, but now I want to make it interactive. I just made an incredible point and want to relate it back to you. Let me know what you think would be an amazing and thought-provoking question that I could ask here. Let me know in the comments below. Last but not least, I'm making sure to slow down my tone of voice here. We're starting to reach the end of the list, and I want to make sure that this point sounds and feels like a conclusion. There won't be any jump cuts in this section. This is serious. And we're back to having fun with it. At the end of the day, making videos is about your passions. And as long as you love what you're doing, your audience will connect with your enthusiasm and willingness to interact. That was my main point, just in case you skipped here. I congratulate you for reaching the end of the video. I show my appreciation whether or not you just skip through to the end, or whether you genuinely watch the entire thing. I make sure to remind you that I make videos on a weekly basis, but more so because sometimes I don't. And if I say it out loud, at least I'm making that commitment in hopes that you're gonna subscribe. Even though I'm a bit wary about the bell feature, I ask you to click it because then you'll get notifications and also you can keep me accountable in case I don't post weekly. Lastly, I remind you to like this video just in case you didn't at the beginning, but mostly I'm just grateful you clicked it in the first place, and I'm hoping you'll stick around for the next one. Signing off with a wave. Fade to black.